On a sunny afternoon, a little girl named Maggie sat in her room, surrounded by her beloved toys. Maggie had a secret. When the moon was high and everyone else was asleep, her toys came to life. Maggie's favorite toy was Max, a soft yellow bunny with floppy ears. Max was not just any bunny, he was the leader of the toys. Every night, Max would organize a magical toy parade, where all the toys got together and marched around Maggie's bedroom. Max would say, "All right, troops, let's do the bunny hop," and everyone would giggle and follow him in a hopping dance. There was Lily, the doll with the bright pink dress who loved twirling, and Rocky, the action figure who did flips and tricks. Even Charlie, the wooden dog, would wag his tail and run around in circles. One night, as the toys were parading, Maggie noticed something strange. The music box which they used for their parade tunes wasn't working. Without the music, the toys seemed unsure of what to do. "Don't worry, everyone," said Max reassuringly. "We can make our own music. Let's clap and stomp our feet." Maggie clapped in delight as all her toys joined in. They created a merry rhythm with their clapping hands, stomping feet, and cheerful voices. The room was filled with the sound of laughter and joyous music. Suddenly, Maggie had an idea. She found her little drum and tambourine and joined the parade with her toys, adding more fun and sound to their night. That night, Maggie discovered that sometimes, when things don't go as planned, you can find a new and wonderful way to enjoy the moment. As the parade wound down, Maggie whispered, "Good night, toys," and they all quietly returned to their places, ready to rest until their next adventure. Each night, as Maggie drifted to sleep, she knew her magical toy parade would always bring joy and adventure to her dreams.